What you got to say to the people, Jack?
Oh yeah!
You got anything to say? Tell us a little bit about your bike.
I don't know anything about it.
Just tell them what you see. Lots
Nope.
of gold.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of green.
A little bit of green.
Got a twisty frame.
Mm-hmm. Twisty.
Crocs with no socks.
That's about the coolest bike I've ever seen.
Man, that sucker's low. Quick little video of a 6.4 we juiced. Nice, clean, simple setup. 2 pumps, 6 batteries, Hoppos. This one is a front, back, corner kit. So the difference with that is you get 2 dumps for the rear. So you have individual dump control of each rear cylinder. 1 dump for the front, because you really don't need individual control for the front. It gives you 1 common hose that runs up to the front, which splits underneath the hood. I'll show you that. Just has a T underneath the hood that goes off into both cylinders. Still really snappy setup. We did 1 ton pre-cuts in the back and 2 tons in the front. Man, this thing's got like the perfect stance. I mean, that sucker's just sitting nice. We also did a Y-bone in the back. Shut this down so I can lift up the back end without its trunk slamming. And that's the Hoppos Y-bone, real simple to install. So you got that extra mount there, and actually the factory frame has like a pad where that sits, so it kind of makes sense when you're looking at it. There's not a whole lot of guesswork. You just make sure everything's straight, drill a few holes, run some nuts and bolts through there to bolt that extra bracket on, and it links back around and connects up there, and then you got kind of your factory banana bar on that side. It's just an extra link. Obviously that's not the factory bar, that's something that's included with the Hoppos kit, but yeah, super simple install, and then you don't have to run your Panhard bar, which is really nice. So that keeps your rear end centered without having, you know, the Panhard bar you have to run, you know, from up here down there, and then when you raise it up it'll kick the rear end over, so this way it stays pretty center. So that was a super simple install. Everything's good quality. Man, I enjoyed installing the Hoppos kit. It's like everything was there, which is more than you can say about some kits. Fittings are all there and everything. But yeah, real clean, real nice setup. It's all the way locked up. It's got a nice even lockup, real clean. Show you this thing laid down all the way. just about perfect.